Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we'll make fried chicken tenders. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken tenders, a quarter cup of Montreal seasoning, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a half cup of half and half or whole milk, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 egg. First, we'll preheat our electric fryer or Dutch oven filled with oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we'll mix the ingredients for our dry dredge. We'll add our 1.5 cups of flour, quarter cup of Montreal seasoning, teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of baking powder, and whisk them together. After mixing our dry ingredients, we'll mix the wet ones. We'll use 1 egg, a cup of half and half or whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Then we'll whisk these ingredients together until well combined. After the oil has finished preheating, we'll begin to cook our chicken tenders. We'll dredge season the flour mixture first, then our liquid mixture, and finally back in the flour mixture again. Once breaded, we'll drop these in our oil and fry them for 4.5 to 5 minutes. Note that I'm leaving the basket down when I drop them. This is so the chicken tenders don't stick to the basket while cooking. It's been about 4.5 minutes, and our chicken tenders look done. We'll remove these from our oil and allow them to cool over a wire rack for a few minutes before serving with some barbecue sauce. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.